take everybody through the power up and link up modes to get these units talking to each other.
Okay. Well, as you can see here, we have the complete wireless torque indicator system. We have our remote display, the base torque indicator, and the data logger. And we need to establish a radio communication link between the three so that they're all speaking the same language, displaying the same values. So the first step is to go ahead and power on the remote wireless display. And as that boots up, it's going to show its firmware version and then begin to display some dashes on the screen because it is not linked to anybody right now.
Correct.
The next step is to go ahead and put the data logger into connect mode. And the way to do that is go ahead and power it on. And we're going to see that it comes up, displays its firmware version, and it shows us that there's no torque indicator signal at the time.
Right.
So right now it is not connected. What we need to do is press menu. To bring up the menu, we're going to toggle down to setup menu, press enter. At that point, we're going to toggle down to indicator link, press enter. And at that point, we have a screen option asking us to create a new link.
Okay.
So the data logger is now ready to go with the exception of one keystroke.
Okay.
The display is listening and we need to turn on the base torque indicator. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to hit the power button here and I'm going to hold the mode button back here. So mode button pressed, we're going to power the unit on and we see the screen toggle through its functions. We're going to see firmware version. We're going to see it say RF, letting us know that the radio is on. And we're going to see it say CONN for connect mode. At that point, we reach over to the data logger, we hit enter, select new link. It says link found, and it displays the serial number of the torque indicator that it's listening to. We see the display go to 0.
Right.
We should see 0 on the indicator. And if we toggle back out from the menu, we see zeros on the data logger. So all three units are now broadcasting, listening to each other, and speaking the same language like we needed. We're ready to go and measure some torque.
And if we wanted to add additional either TI or the data logger or the wireless display, we would go through the same process.
Yeah, at this
and it
point,
would stay connected to this unit.
right, the exact same thing. So we would have powered multiple displays or multiple data loggers on at the same time. And then when we hit the final step on the torque indicator, then everybody starts to find each other and communicate.